Today's program was one of the earmarked program under Women and Child Development Department, dedicated to this 1 month focused celebration of all the departmental schemes and events under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsava. So we all are aware that Women and Child Development Department is a nodal department for all the welfare schemes, all the acts and rules that are aimed at the welfare of the women and the children. So since today's theme, that sexual sensitization program on sexual harassment of women at workplace is one of the most important and contemporary, very, very sensitive topic. So we want to have the participation of all the government employees who are mostly of the lower rung status in the state of Sikkim. So they are, we call them a little bit vulnerable because this issue is very, very underreported. As the data shows that only 2% of the such cases are reported in the that tribunal or whatever committee and commission, and that too the conviction rate is also very low. So actually all are subjected to such harassment in the workplace at maybe at different event and gathering and different places in the society. But what lacks among the women folk is that understanding what amounts to harassment and what amounts to not. What are the indications that you are being harassed sexually? So it's not only about sexual act, or it's not only about outraging the modesty, but there are certain body language, there are certain sign and signals that amounts to sexual harassment as per the act. So the real sensitization was required. The awareness, the lack of awareness makes this act actually what I would say, unless and until we are not aware of the provision, making numerous acts doesn't make any impact, doesn't make any sense in the society. So our effort was to make awareness or create that sensitize the targeted population, targeted audience, that working women. Today's program was particularly dedicated to women employees in state government. We have not covered other community members, but in near future we want to extend this program. We want to take this program to other stakeholders also, other community which are not covered today. So unless and until we don't make our citizenry informed, the informed citizenry only will make the acts and rules meaningful. Because
since this program has been organized under the Manan Azadi Ka Amrit
Mahotsav,
so are this program being organized in the other districts of Sikkim?
No, this is a departmental state level function. We had two events. Recently we had another event. So there were two earmarked events dedicated, as from 15th of July to 15th of August. We are supposed to have maximum event. So for our department we had earmarked two events. One was that is state level sports for person with disabilities, and this was the next event. So as of now we had only one event that was dedicated, that was targeted for the particularly women employees, female employees in and around Gangtok. So in the near future, more such programs we are planning to take to the district for as an outreach program to create more awareness, to sensitize more stakeholders in this sensitive issue. So thank you for, I thank media fraternity for coming and covering this. So through you from the digital platform also would like to appeal to all, and in the meantime, not only sensitization, we have distributed certain handbooks also. So those are very, very informative, and going through those handbooks, you will be more aware and what you are supposed to do and what you are not supposed to foresee. So our effort should be towards prevention of such issues or such cases in future and common workplaces. Actually, in Sikkim, we learn a lot about these things happening, but very few, cases just emerge in the public mind space. Very few cases are reported actually. So we want, more people get aware, more reporting, and there will be less chances of getting a woman harassed or, a woman is harassed in the workplace. So this is all I want to say. So we'll be organizing more such programs in the future also. So we'll be taking this outreach programs in the district as well to create more awareness, and we'll include more stakeholders also.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
One Stop Center चाहिँ एउटा होलिस्टिक वुमेनको भाइलेन्स एड्रेस गर्नुको लागि हो, जहाँनिर चाहिँ कुनै पनि भाइलेन्स जो वुमेनले फेस गर्दैछ, बी इट इन एभ्रीडे लाइफ, उसलाई स्टकिङ भइरहेको छ, उसलाई अनवान्टेड टेक्स्टहरू जस्तै सेक्सुअल ह्यारेसमेन्टको कुराहरू भइरहेको छ, उसलाई घरमा फिजिकल अब्युज भइरहेको छ, फ्यामिलीमा उसलाई इकोनोमिक अब्युज भइरहेको छ, कुनै पनि भाइलेन्स, इट क्यान बी अफ एनी काइन्ड, उहाँले चाहिँ वान स्टप सेन्टरलाई अप्रोच गर्नु सक्छ। अनि वान स्टप सेन्टरलाई चाहिँ कसरी अप्रोच गर्नुपर्छ भन्दा चाहिँ 181 विमेन हेल्पलाइन नम्बर, तपाईँले 181मा कल गर्नुभयो भने चाहिँ त्यहाँनिरको ट्रेन्ड रेस्पोन्डरले तपाईँको इन्फर्मेसन लिन्छ, तपाईँको के इस्यु छ त्यसलाई उहाँले हामीसम्म चाहिँ इन्फर्मेसन पुऱ्याउँछ। अनि जब 181को रेस्पोन्डरले लिइसकेपछि चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने चाहिँ उहाँले डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज जो चाहिँ वान स्टप सेन्टर इज देयर, साउथमा जोरथाङमा छ, नर्थमा मङ्गनमा छ, वेस्टमा गेजिङमा छ, त्यहाँदेखि इस्टमा ग्याङटोकमा छ। उहाँले वान स्टप सेन्टरको सेन्टर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटरलाई फरवर्ड गरिदिन्छ। अनि सेन्टर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटरकोमा आइसकेपछि चाहिँ उहाँले टेलिफोनिकली उहाँलाई कल गर्नुहुन्छ, टेलिफोनिकली कल गरेर चाहिँ उहाँको इस्युजहरू के छ भनेर सोध्नुहुन्छ। त्यो पछाडि हामी रेजिस्टर गर्छौँ एउटा युनिक केस आइडीमा, बिकज हामीले सबै इन्फर्मेसन एउटा मान्छेको आइडेन्टिटीलाई कन्फिडेन्सियल राख्छौँ। अनि हाम्रो फोकस चाहिँ खालि एउटा भाइलेन्स भएको वुमेनले चाहिँ whatever help she requires, it can be counseling, it can be legal aid, it can be something जहाँ चाहिँ उहाँलाई उहाँको घरमा भइरहेको केही कुरा विमेन भएको कारणले गर्दा भाइलेन्स भइरहेको छ भने, उसलाई लजको बारेमा इन्फर्मेसन चाहिएको छ भने सबै कुरा चाहिँ होलिस्टिकली हामीले हाम्रो सेन्टरमा हामीले उहाँलाई त्यो सर्भिसेसहरू प्रोभाइड गर्छ है। अनि यहाँनिर चाहिँ इमर्जेन्सी रेस्क्युज पनि हुन्छ। फर इक्जाम्पल जस्तो मैले त्यो डोमेस्टिक भाइलेन्सको केसेसमा चाहिँ कोही बेला चाहिँ हस्बेन्डले चाहिँ मार्नै आँटेको हुन्छ, खुकुरीहरूले हुने एउटा जग्गामा थुनेर बस्नुपर्ने कुराहरू हुन्छ। त्यति बेला चाहिँ जब 181 हेल्पलाइनलाई उहाँले कल गर्छ, तब चाहिँ वान स्टप सेन्टरलाई उहाँले कनेक्ट गर्नुहुन्छ। हामीले चाहिँ पुलिससँग सँगै काम गरेर या फिर अरू कुनै सर्भिसेससँग काम गरेर चाहिँ हामीले विमेनलाई भइरहेको भाइलेन्सलाई चाहिँ हामीले एड्रेस गर्छौँ। अनि यो चाहिँ वान स्टप सेन्टरको बेसिक वर्किङ मेकानिजम हो। सिक्किमबाट डेफिनेटली हामीले हाम्रो जोरथाङमा नै साउथको वान स्टप सेन्टरमा नै 171वटा केसेस हामीले हेरिसकेका छौँ। त्यहाँनिर 171मा चाहिँ हामीले अराउन्ड 150+ केसेस हामीले रिजल्भ गरेका छौँ। 20 अन्डर प्रोसेस छ। त्यो 20को प्रोसेस चाहिँ उनीहरू काउन्सिलिङमा छ या फिर उनीहरूले लिगल एड पाइरहेको छ। उनीहरूलाई कोर्टमा पनि हाम्रो प्यारालिगल वर्कर्स, केस वर्कर्सहरूले उनीहरूलाई टिल दि एन्ड, अन्टिल जस्टिस इज एडमिनिस्टर्ड हामीले उनीहरूलाई सपोर्ट गर्छौँ।
Get all the credible news on the go. Download the Sikkim Chronicle app.